Here's how to send zip files on Gmail without upload issues. First, make sure you have the zip file ready on your phone. Then, open the Gmail app on your device. Tap on Compose to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address. Type the email subject. Now tap on the Attach icon at the top. From the menu, select the Files option. Find and select the zip file you want to upload. If the size of the zip file is large, it will be sent as a Google Drive link. Then tap on the Send button. Here, tap on More options to modify the sharing permissions. After that, change the option to Anyone with the link. Tap on the Send button at the top right corner. Your zip file has now been successfully sent through the Gmail app. And that's it.